In this video lesson, I will show you how to use Jump 100 Index Pip Calculator to calculate the Pip value, the stop loss value and take profit on order that you would like to open. Here on the left side, you have a Pip Calculator for the Jump 100 Index, and I will leave a link below in the description so you can find this Pip Calculator. On the right side, I have MetaTrader 5 trading platform with the Jump 100 Index set here, and below in the left corner I have a PDF with a pip value for each of these synthetic indices listed here. For the Jump 100 index, we can see that the contract size is set to 1, the minimum volume is 0.01, the maximum volume is set to 1, and the pip value is equal to $0.01. Inside the PDF you will have also an examples and formula how to calculate the pip value. Then you will have also examples on the pip calculator how to use it inside the trading platform. For this one, you will also have a link for downloading below in the description. Now let's get back to the Pip Calculator, where I will show you how to calculate a pip and also the stop loss and take profit on examples. Inside the Pip Calculator on the top, you have a pip value in US dollars. So when you click calculate, you will get here a value in US dollars. Below you have a symbol where you have a drop down menu to select any of these synthetic indices you would like to get calculation. In this case I will select the Jump 100 index, so the Pip Calculator will populate automatically the contract size and the point value for this symbol. This value will be the same as inside this PDF. If you would like to change these values, you can simply change them by typing here inside this field. Below that you have a volume which is set to 1, and that means one standard lot. I will leave this 1 to number 1 for calculating 1 pip. But later on I will show you how to also change the volume to get desired stop loss and take profit values. Below that you have a contract size which is predefined by the broker, so if you do not have this value for this synthetic indices on your broker, simply ask your broker support to give you what is the contract size for this symbol. Then you have a point value which is defined as 0.01. It is also a representation of the price change on the chart. So when the price change by 0.01, this will mean a 1 pip. So the 1 pip is defined as 0.01 price change. So when you click calculate, you get a value of 1 pip, which is equal to $0.01 on the Jump 100 index. So when you have a price change by 0.01, it will mean a price change by 1 pip, and also it will mean price change by $0.01. Below that you have entry price, stop loss, take profit. So when you enter these three values, you will get stop loss difference between the entry price and the stop loss, and you will get a take profit difference, which is a price difference between the entry price and the take profit. Then you can use the stop loss and take profit values and calculate how much that would be in US dollars. Let me show you that how to make that calculation. For example, let's put this one line here where the market price is, and we expect that the price could go down, and we would put stop loss just above these highs of these candles. Let's put now these values inside the Pip Calculator to get the stop loss take profit difference and to see how much that would be in US dollars. 2280.89, stop loss would be 2310.72, take profit 1260.67. Click calculate, and we get that the stop loss price difference is 29.83. Let's copy this one, paste here inside the point value, click calculate. We got that the stop loss would be equal to $29.83. Stop or take profit would be 120.22. Let's open new order with these values so we can see is this correct. Let's put stop loss, copy paste, take profit, copy paste, and click sell order because we are expecting the price will go down in value. Something's wrong, just a minute. 230.72, take profit 2160.67, and the volume is sorry, it is too close to this one. We need to change a stop loss slightly above. Let's change this one to 334.95. Click calculate. We got 54.06. Click calculate. The stop loss would be 54.06. Now let's put a new stop loss. Click sell. Oh, it's not giving again. Let's make this a little bit wider. Now let's put different values. 2385.74 and take profit will be 2030.25. Click calculate and click sell. Okay, there is some issues. Let's check what's wrong. The volume is okay. Jump 100, okay. Let's increase this one just to see, is this the one? 2474.20. Sell. It is. It's working right now. So the problem was that the stop loss was close to the entry price, or the take profit was close to the entry price. So you needed to make a little bit wider to open this trade. Now let's change these values. 2474.20 and take profit would be 2160.67. Click calculate. Now we got that stop loss 2474 and let's put the entry price is 2278.32. 2278. Click calculate. Okay. Okay, I can see that I have made a mistake. The stop loss and take profit. Let's put take profit, for example, here. 2474 and we got 2008.96. Click calculate and we have a stop loss of 195.88. Copy this one here and we will see that the stop loss is 195.88. Let's check this on the chart. 195.88. We have the same stop loss. Let's check the take profit. 269.36. 269.36. Now you can see we have defined the stop loss take profit before opening an order. There was some kind of issue because the stop loss take profit was close to the entry price, so the trading platform has not allowed us to open this trade. Let's close this one order. And let's try now to change the volume to get the stop loss close to 100. For example, if we have here a stop loss 195.88, how much we would need to divide this one to get to close to 100? It is divided by 2. Let's divide the volume by 2 and click calculate. We would get stop loss 97.94. Now let's for example, let's open a new order and let's open now buy order with the take profit at this price level and put stop loss here. Now let's enter these values here. 2275.98. Stop loss would be 2130.18 and take profit would be 2539.73. Click calculate. We would get the price difference 145.80. Copy this one here, click calculate. So the stop loss would be 72.90. To get to this one to close to 100, we would need to increase this, for example, to 0.7. And here it is, 102.06. Let's open new order. With this a new volume set to 0.7. And let's put a stop loss here and take profit here. And we are expecting that the price will go up in value, so we are opening buy order. Click buy and the new order has been opened. We need to change the entry price, which is slightly different than the one we have put on the chart. 63, click calculate. We get 143.45. Click calculate. And we get the stop loss is equal to 104.41. Let's check that on the chart. Let's put our mouse here on the line and minus 100.42. Now we have the same values here, and the slightly difference is because of the rounding, so it is close to 42. Now let's get the take profit. Let's copy paste this one here, click calculate, and we get 186.27. Let's check the take profit. 186.27. Now you can see you can use this jump 100 index Pip Calculator to change the volume to get desired stop loss, and you can also check the stop loss take profit before opening an order. This way you can have a proper risk management on each trade that you open, which is very crucial in trading. So if you have any questions regarding this jump 100 Pip Calculator, please leave a comment and I will try to make a video with an answers to your questions. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!